San Diego is the state's oldest city, located in Southern California near the Mexican border. It has enthralling natural beauty and a mild Mediterranean climate with plenty of sunshine, making it ideal for outdoor activities. San Diego is often referred to as America's finest city, and it's easy to see why. Aside from a long stretch of scenic coastline, the city is known for its natural beauty, a mild Southern California climate, and its laid-back vibe and surfer culture. San Diego has a plethora of amazing museums and historic tourist attractions set alongside the twinkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, many of which relate to the city's rich maritime heritage. The Cabrillo National Monument Visitor Center Historic District, built between 1963 and 1967, provides commanding views of the San Diego coast as well as interpretive exhibits and programs. The Cabrillo Visitor Center was built as part of the National Park Service's Mission 66 program, an effort to revitalize national parks across the country after World War II, and was designed to represent the Park Service's modern image. Balboa Park is a tourist paradise. This 1,400-acre site includes historical buildings, museums, gardens, and green space. The park was built for the Panama, California exhibition in 1915-1916, and most of the buildings from that event still stand. The predominant architecture is Spanish style, with low-rise buildings that blend in with the natural surroundings. The Botanical Gardens and Lily Pond, the Museum of Man, the Museum of Natural History, the San Diego Museum of Art, and the famous San Diego Zoo are all highlights of the park. The San Diego Zoo, a popular tourist attraction in Balboa Park, is one of the largest and most well-known zoos in the United States. One of the best things to do in San Diego with kids is to visit this family-friendly attraction. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. San Diego is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts due to its year-round warm weather and sunshine. Tourists can enjoy the many things to do in San Diego during their visit. Outdoor activities are available to tourists, including hiking in Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve, sailing in the bay, and biking along coastal trails. All kinds of outdoor enthusiasts will be drawn to the variety of water sports and other activities. The city's beautiful seaside and surrounding farmland make it a unique vacation destination for food lovers. The second most populous city in California is only 16 miles from the Mexican border. This location has given rise to a delectable cuisine that combines these two cultures. The culinary mix of organic ingredients with great seafood and Mexican cooking traditions, known as Cali Baja, ensures a wide range of dishes you won't want to miss. San Diego is a fantastic shopping destination in California. It has sunny days all year, outdoor malls and scenic views of Mission Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The city's diverse shopping districts have just about everything you need, whether it's a one-of-a-kind souvenirs, trendy new outfits or rock-bottom prices. After dark, San Diego has an exciting nightlife and a variety of things to see and do. You can attend theater performances, listen to live music, or take the kids to the zoo. If you prefer something more low-key, San Diego has a plethora of natural areas where you can take in the scenery and take some stunning photographs. In San Diego you can have it all, a night on the town or a campfire by the sea.